Welcome back to the Ultimate Freedom. I'm Glenn, Level 2 RV Repair Tech. Today we're going to talk about a whole house air filter. I got this air filter because my wife inhaled mold a couple decades ago, and she inhaled a lot of it, and it made her very, very ill. And she was sick for 6 months, bedridden. From that time forward, she would get sick maybe once a year and be in bed for like a month. I got this device about 4 years ago. It runs 24/7. It's never broken down. And since I got it, she has not gotten sick with her lung issue. That's a big deal. And so I'm going to share a little bit about this device. There's going to be a link for you to purchase this device and the filters that come with it in the description of this email. Let's talk about it. This device is made by Toshiba, and you can use it in your house and you can use it in your RV. In your RV, it's a little bit of overkill, which is exactly what I wanted. I wanted to filter that air and filter it a lot. It's got 3 speeds on it. This is to reset when you clean the filter, and it'll flash when you need to clean the filter. And it has Wi-Fi settings that I've never used because I don't hook it up to Wi-Fi. I just turn it on. I usually run it on the 2nd speed, and I leave it running 24/7. On the back of it, it looks like this. So that guy is there. The air filter is inside of it, and this air filter goes on top of that air filter. Now this guy, I clean this once a month, and I wanted you to see it. I haven't cleaned it this month. Look at the layer. You cannot eat. That's how much dirt. That's how much it filtered out of the air that we did not breathe. That's impressive. As I said, this has amazingly improved my wife's health. Really easy to take the back off. Back pops right off. I use my leaf blower. I have a battery operated leaf blower. I blow this thing out. I wipe it down. I clean it all up. I clean this surface filter with soap and water, and I replace this filter once a year. And it's a HEPA filter. That's one of the words that's used, meaning it filters everything. And it's a great, I literally cannot say how much it's changed our lives with my wife not getting sick. The fact that this thing has run 24/7 for 4 years is also impressive, and it's still quiet. The motor hasn't started shrieking or making noise. So it's a quality filter. Use the link down below. Please click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and products and ways to live the ultimate freedom. Thanks for stopping by.